Okay, so spinal segmental motor control test. We're going to stand feet out from the wall. We're going to start with getting our back flat. So I call this the hollow position, back flat to the wall, no arch. Don't want to be able to get my hand under it. Then we're just going to start off initially with just moving the pelvis forward and back. So we get that contact with the back, with the wall, pelvis scoops under, and then go the opposite way. Then we're going to work, continue to keep our lower back touching. We're going to roll all the way up, contacting all parts of the back and neck to the wall, all the way up into a head bridge, and then all the way down. On the way down, trying to keep my upper back touching the wall as my mid back and lower back comes down, which at this point I'm failing because my upper back starts to lift. Lower back comes down, contact by contact, segment by segment. So the more I repeat this, the more I'm going to gain motor control and control over flexion and extension of my back. So basically I want to see that we can get the pattern of rolling up and rolling down, not hinging. We become really aware of stiff segments of the spine by doing this test. Can also be done then lying down, so standing is a good place to start. In lying, depending on your level of motor control, it may be an easier place to start or a harder place to start. You're going to start rolling the pelvis backward and forward. Backward, forward. So we're getting the arch and the hollow position where I can't get contact under. And then we're going to roll, continue rolling, segment by segment. The pelvis rolls backwards. We continue to roll all the way up into a full bridge. I'm not going to go all the way onto the head in this position. Just loading the shoulders, full back bridge. Then I come down segment by segment, all the way down. So upper back down first. Pelvis tilts backwards at this point. So we touch down segment by segment, slow and controlled, all the way down. So we should be able to touch down each spinous process or each spinal segment one by one. So what we don't want to see is any major waving side to side, any points where we need to move around the painful point or a stiff segment. It wants to be nice and fluid and controlled all the way to the floor. Any pain or stiffness at any segment needs to be obviously addressed. So by just repeating this process with focus on perfect rounding of the spine in each direction will really help to unlock any stiff segments in the lower back and create control. A spinal segmental motor control.